VSK Business Consultant Home Services, elevating your living spaces in Chennai. At VSK Business Consultant Home Services, we believe that a home is more than just four walls and a roof. It's a reflection of your personality, a sanctuary where you can relax, entertain, and create cherished memories. That's why we are dedicated to providing comprehensive home repair, improvement, and new construction services in Chennai, transforming your living spaces into places of comfort, style, and functionality. A decade of excellence in home improvement. For over 10 years, VSK Business Consultant Home Services has been a trusted name in the Chennai home improvement industry. We've built a strong foundation of satisfied customers by consistently delivering high-quality workmanship, exceptional customer service, and a commitment to exceeding expectations. Our team of skilled professionals possesses a deep understanding of the unique challenges and opportunities that come with home improvement projects in Chennai, ensuring that your vision is brought to life seamlessly. A comprehensive range of services to meet your every need. Whether you are tackling a minor repair, planning a major renovation, or dreaming of a brand new home, VSK Business Consultant Home Services has the expertise to handle it all. Our comprehensive range of services includes electrical work. Our licensed electricians are adept at handling all your electrical needs, from routine maintenance and repairs to complex installations and upgrades. We specialize in fixture installation and repair, replacing light fixtures, ceiling fans, switches, and outlets. Wiring and rewiring, addressing outdated wiring, adding new circuits, and ensuring your home's electrical system is safe and efficient. Troubleshooting and repairs, diagnosing and resolving electrical issues such as power outages, short circuits, and faulty wiring. Plumbing services. Our experienced plumbers are equipped to handle a wide range of plumbing issues, from minor leaks and clogs to major pipe replacements and installations. We offer leak detection and repair, identifying and fixing leaks in faucets, pipes, and toilets. Drain cleaning, clearing clogged drains and sewer lines using advanced techniques. Water heater installation and repair, installing and repairing gas and electric water heaters. Pipe replacement, replacing old and damaged pipes with modern, durable materials. Carpentry services. Our skilled carpenters can transform your home with custom-built woodwork, including custom furniture, designing and crafting unique furniture pieces to suit your style and needs. Cabinetry, building and installing custom cabinets for kitchens, bathrooms, and other areas. Built-ins, creating custom shelving, entertainment centers, and other built-in features. Woodwork repairs and restoration, repairing and restoring existing woodwork, such as doors, windows, and moldings. Painting services. Our professional painters can breathe new life into your home with meticulous interior and exterior painting services. We offer interior painting, painting walls, ceilings, trim, and doors in a variety of colors and finishes. Exterior painting, protecting your home's exterior with high-quality paints and coatings. Preparation and surface repair, ensuring a smooth and flawless finish by properly preparing surfaces and repairing any damage. Handyman services. We understand that life throws unexpected challenges. Our skilled handymen are ready to tackle a wide range of minor repairs and maintenance tasks, including faucet and fixture repair, fixing leaky faucets, replacing shower heads, and repairing other bathroom fixtures. Furniture assembly, assembling furniture, from bookcases and desks to entertainment centers. Mounting TVs and pictures, mounting TVs on walls, hanging pictures, and installing shelves. Minor repairs, fixing minor issues around the house, such as loose hinges, broken door handles, and squeaky doors. New work services. At VSK Business Consultant Home Services, we specialize in bringing your dream home to life. Our new work services include home construction, building new homes from the ground up, working closely with you to design a space that perfectly reflects your vision and lifestyle. Home renovations, transforming existing homes with comprehensive renovations, including kitchen and bathroom remodeling, additions, and whole house renovations. Interior design, providing expert interior design consultation to help you select colors, finishes, and furnishings that create a cohesive and stylish look. Our commitment to customer satisfaction. At the heart of our success lies our unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. We believe in building long-term relationships with our clients, based on trust, transparency, and open communication. Here's what sets us apart. Experienced and qualified professionals. Our team comprises highly skilled and experienced professionals with a deep understanding of their respective trades. We prioritize continuous training and development to ensure our team stays at the forefront of industry best practices. Licensed and insured. We take safety and professionalism seriously. All our technicians are licensed and insured, providing you with peace of mind and protection. Transparent communication. We believe in open and honest communication throughout the entire project lifecycle. We provide clear and upfront estimates, keep you informed of project progress, and address any concerns promptly. Timely project completion. We understand the importance of completing projects on schedule. We work efficiently and diligently to ensure your project is completed within the agreed upon time frame, minimizing disruptions to your daily life. Competitive pricing. We offer competitive pricing for our services without compromising on quality. We work with your budget to find the best possible solutions that meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Customer-centric approach. We prioritize your needs and preferences at every stage of the project. We listen attentively to your vision, offer expert advice, and strive to create a positive and enjoyable experience. Get in touch with us today. Ready to transform your living space? Contact VSK Business Consultant Home Services today for a free consultation. Our experienced team will discuss your project in detail, answer your questions, and provide a personalized quote. Phone 9840-336-999. Email vsbusinessconsultant@gmail.com. Website www.vsbusinessconsultant.in. YouTube channel @VSBusinessConsultant. Facebook and Instagram. Follow us for project inspiration and updates. Let VSK Business Consultant Home Services be your trusted partner in creating a home you love. We look forward to working with you.